Have you ever wondered how far robotics has come in recent decades? Well, it all started in the early 20th century when the term robot was first coined. This word, originating from the Czech word robota, meaning forced labor, was introduced to the world in 1920 through a play called Ar or Rossum's Universal Robots. The play depicted machines that could carry out human tasks, a concept that was both fascinating and terrifying. But it wasn't until 4 decades later, in 1961, that the concept of these automated machines took a physical form. The first digital and programmable robot known as the Unimate was created. This heavyweight champion of a machine, weighing in at a whopping 2 tons, was put to work in a General Motors plant. Its main duty? To transport die castings from an assembly line and weld these onto auto bodies, a task that was hot, dirty, and potentially hazardous for human workers. But robotics was not bound to remain only in the industrial sector. As technology advanced, so did its applications. By the turn of the 21st century, robotics had found its way into our homes. A key milestone that marked this shift was the introduction of the Roomba robotic vacuum cleaner in 2002. This nifty little device, capable of navigating around furniture and cleaning your floors while you sat back and relaxed, was a game changer. It signaled the beginning of a new era where robots started becoming an integral part of our everyday lives. So, from its humble industrial beginnings, robotics has truly come a long way. It's almost hard to believe that in less than a century, we've gone from the concept of forced labor machines to having autonomous devices that not only help with our chores, but also learn and adapt to our lifestyles. And this, my friends, is just the beginning. As we continue to push the boundaries of technology and innovation, who knows what the future of robotics holds? One thing's for sure, though, we're in for an exciting ride. But the past 2 decades have seen a real explosion in robotics technology. From the factory floor to the living room, robots are becoming increasingly prevalent and sophisticated, thanks to the rapid advancement in supporting technologies. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is one of the key drivers propelling this robot revolution. This has allowed robots to mimic human thought processes, enabling them to learn and adapt to new situations. Imagine a self-driving car navigating through a busy city, or a chatbot providing customer service with human-like responses. Computer vision and sensors have also played a crucial role by allowing robots to understand and interact with their surroundings. This has opened up new possibilities, like drones that can survey vast agricultural fields or delivery robots that can dodge obstacles on the sidewalk. Moreover, the falling costs of these technologies have made robots more accessible, leading to their adoption in a myriad of applications. As technology advances rapidly, so does the capabilities of our robotic companions. But it's not just about high-tech robots in a lab, they're now part of our everyday lives. From the moment we wake up to the time we retire for the night, we interact with robotics in ways that we may not even realize. Take, for example, the smartphone that wakes you up in the morning. It's powered by artificial intelligence, a branch of robotics that makes it possible for you to ask Siri or Google Assistant about the weather or your schedule for the day. And it's not just personal devices. If you've ever used a self-checkout line at a grocery store, you've interacted with a robot. These systems use computer vision, another aspect of robotics, to identify the items you're purchasing. They make the process quicker and more efficient, reducing the need for human cashiers. In the manufacturing sector, robots have revolutionized the production line. They can tirelessly perform tasks that are repetitive, dangerous, or require extreme precision, contributing to increased productivity and safer working conditions. In fact, according to the International Federation of Robotics, there was an average of 98 robots for every 10,000 employees in the manufacturing industry in 2023. The logistics industry is another big adopter of robotics. Automated systems sort, package, and ship goods in warehouses around the world. Retail giants like Amazon have embraced this technology, leading to quicker order fulfillment and delivery. In the field of agriculture, robots are used to plant seeds, harvest crops, and even milk cows. This automation helps to increase yield and efficiency, while reducing the reliance on manual labor. And it's not just these industries. Robotics are making inroads into healthcare, education, and even our homes. Advanced humanoid robots like Sophia have demonstrated the potential to take on service industry and household jobs. In fact, you might be surprised at just how much of our daily lives are touched by robotics. They help us to work, to learn, to shop, and even to relax. As we move forward, we can expect to see even more integration of robotics into our everyday lives, making them more efficient, more productive, and perhaps even more enjoyable. So, where is all this heading? What does the future hold for robotics? As we look ahead, we see a world where robotics is not just a part of our lives, but a vital component. Smarter artificial intelligence will drive this change, enabling robots to learn, adapt, and make decisions in real time. Imagine a swarm of robots working together to perform complex tasks, or nanobots in the medical field, revolutionizing surgery and targeted drug delivery. And what about robot companions, or even pets? These may sound like science fiction today, but the future of robotics could make them a reality. Yet, this brave new world is not without its challenges. As robots become more integrated into our society, we must grapple with potential job losses, privacy concerns, and a host of legal and ethical issues. But despite these challenges, the benefits of robotics are immense, and the future certainly looks bright. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the world of robotics. We've journeyed from the origins of robotics with the coining of the term robot in the early part of the 20th century to the creation of the first digital and programmable robot, the Unimate, in 1961. We explored how robotics advanced from industrial applications to consumer and commercial uses, with milestones like the Roomba robotic vacuum cleaner turning heads in 2002. We've seen how recent advances in artificial intelligence, computer vision, and sensors have led to dexterous robot hands, autonomous vehicles, drones, advanced chatbots, and self-learning robots. Today, robots are more integrated into our everyday lives than ever before, influencing industries from manufacturing to retail. Looking ahead, the future of robotics is bright, with potential for smarter AI, nanobots in medicine, and robotic companions. From industrial machines to household helpers, robotics has truly transformed our world. And this is just the beginning.